Hello guys, this is Anurag from Provider Vlog. So right now I have fixed the Moto 10 crash guards, as you can see. So these are the lightweight and best crash guard for Dominar if you are not looking for any of the heavy ones. So these are the lighter ones, and with this you get a frame slider end of the crash guards. So basically the impact will be taken by these sliders, and when the bike falls, this will take care of your bike. So initially it will take care of the bike, and then if some impact from the front comes, so it has the tendency to take that as well impact. These are lightweight and very easy, and for you also to while riding you won't feel anything, and there won't be any vibration stuff, because these had been designed from the stock crash guards mounting points. So we have used the same mounting points, and just that the end part has been changed, and there one strength has been added over here, and the slider has been given for protection. So this is how the Moto 10 crash guard looks like. So for orders you have to check the description part, and follow me on Instagram at ProRider Anurag, and you can place the orders, and we are ready to deliver it across India, pan India. So we are going to give some discount for the first 50 orders. So make sure you are making the orders as soon as possible and be in the 50th customer, so that you avail the discounts. For more information, please visit my Instagram profile and get all the details.